a lot of stuff there, like food, seafood, clothes, the delicacies. You can actually find it here, and it's really nice to see. And some of them I tasted, and it's really yummy. So you better check it out also. Yes, and now that's the end of our Chinatown scrolling here in Bangkok. And I hope you guys are gonna come in here and visit before the day ends. We're gonna go in here. Actually, this is the Rose restaurant here in Chinatown, which we normally come in here when we are here in Chinatown. They have a nice they got a nice dance here, different actually every night, and you're just gonna love it here. So guys, I hope for you guys to come in here, and also please check out our books, my books. Search it on Amazon. Check April Dao, Eric Dao, and Erlinda Valdez, and hope you're gonna find it. And please don't forget to leave us comments for us to grow and for you. I hope